This is the pound yen on the 5 and we have a head and shoulders that's set up. It's only a small one on the 5, so plenty of time to get out of this before the market closes. Let's just take a look at the higher time frame. I'm really only looking bearish here. If I put a structure level on, you can see that yesterday we had a nice big red candle there, but we have come into a level of internal structure, minor internal level structure. Let's go to the 240. Can see just here that we are holding this level, sign that there's a battle, indecision going on here. Let's go to the 60. Oops, sorry about that. Here on the 60, move lower, pull back, a little bit of a consolidation area here, move lower, and then we had this kind of move here, a little bit of a pullback, then a move higher. Beautiful 3-bar reversal. But look what we did, we ran out of steam just here. So again, bit of a battle going on here. Indecision. Let's go to the 15. Here on the 15. I'm going to put a structure level on at our lows just here. You can see that we have held that level. Let's go to the 5. Here on the 5 we have also held that structure level. Okay, just let me refresh this screen and load white background. Okay, on the RSI we did go oversold here right down at this last test, and structure has been held. For head and shoulders we've got a clear swing, we've got a move lower, a left shoulder, a move lower. Right here, difficult to see, but this is a right shoulder. Right up here, this is an initial structure high, potential rotation. We're seeing a pullback, and then I am looking for an AB equals CD move like this up to this zone, and if we go to the 60, you'll see that actually targets come in at the closes of those candles. I'm just going to go to the 5 range and just show it you on the 5 range. Actually, no, we'll stick with the 5. So the 5 minute zone stops here. If we look at the left shoulder, and you can see that we've actually, the left shoulder here, we've actually held the right shoulder. So I've actually gone a full ATR below the low here, which is 10 pips. So that should be 61 right there. And in terms of risk then, 27 for a reward of 33. Okay guys, we're back for the update. Last trade of the day, and I'm pleased to say it's a winner. Just want to go over something in here. So right, so we didn't hit for 33, we hit for a little bit less, and I'll tell you why. Is that when I drew it out in the first part of the video, if you go back and watch, I did not have my AB equals CD pattern in the right place, and so what I did was, after the video, I did draw it out correctly, just like that, and I was actually 2 pips in front of it. Unfortunately I can't show it on the video, but that's what happened. So I hit there for, I think it was 29 pips. I'll have to check my phone, see how much it was for, but the analysis was spot on. You know, one thing I didn't say was my entry. I actually used the 5 range for the entry. It was this higher high, higher close here, and if you look at what we actually did here, we actually had a triple bottom, and then we violated above it. And the reason I played for the AB equals CD pattern and no extension was because we had this structure level just here, and there was no reason for me to believe that the market is going to go higher from this point, and the AB equals CD pattern has the highest probability of completing rather than playing for structure highs up here, and I only do that in certain circumstances. So yeah, AB equals CD pattern, I always front run by a couple of pips. I think about 29 pips, which is quite a nice finish to the trading week.